Lightning strike don't kill about 18 people inside India. As we gather our information, they talk say this place wey be say na like tourist center, be all this kind viewing center. Where the name na Amer Fort. This one dey inside Jupel. Then na there people gather, they enjoy themselves. They begin take selfie. Before they go see lightning don't strike. I don't know, na the selfie na even attract the lightning because the lightning strike. Now anything before we go see people don't die. Some people say now out of fear, as the lightning strike, fear catch them and they jump from this high place, go land. Why others say now the lightning and just kill them? Now people are beg, make now follow me watch.
टीम आई थी।
तो कितने लोगों को यहाँ से रेस्क्यू करके ले जा चुके हैं आप?
कल यहाँ नाइट में हमने 16 बंदों को यहाँ से रेस्क्यू करके ले जा चुके हैं। जिनमें
अभी भी आशंका है कि कुछ लोग फंसे हुए।
Oh, this lightning, it just be like saying the one where they see inside film. It be like saying at all. Now I send this lightning come because I can't surprise. But as you gather, they talk say inside India. In fact, 60% of their death is they cause through lightning, and they cause most of them their deaths. I can't as now know say this kind of period be a raining season and thunder they always strike. On ourselves now go there cautious now go reason and say as we there make thunder no just go strike just like that make one keep person. And I go gather ourselves where reason and go stay one place. But this one I be like say this thunder even strong. Because they say as this thing even strikes some building get one watchtower they where they near that side say the thing even crack. This one blessing na Amadioha. This one not even be thunder. This one pass thunder. Oh, na Amadioha na I come this India. Because I dey surprise how person and we gotta say 7 children don't die. Minus the adults we don't die for the 7 children. Say more of children not even die for this whole thing. I can't waiting for cause this thunder. This one if it be natural disaster, been a person. I want to say I been at their gods. Maybe they are Indian gods and they vex. And this one they say it happened for the northern states of India. I beg why be say the north side. Now bad things they happen. Nigeria not kasala dedi. India not safe. Nigeria another thing safe when they happen. But I beg my people as na no say na rainy season a day. If na see say rain dey fall, now make inside Nigeria you go see say rain dey fall. Person go don rush carry cloth go cover a mirror, bin go carry a mirror face back. Because you dey always hear this one no be superstition, so you go hear say sometimes the lightning fit go affect this thing. So I sure say all this one join. Now make they always cover this thing. So I beg Indian people if na no know as I dey talk this one and make na dey learn say if thunder don dey strike, if it trigger something. And as na dey use na phone at that time, your phone fit even dey very dangerous, especially when the lightning go dey attack am. So something na go lead to something na go cause this whole death now wey be say people can't die. Now in fact, as Africans, I dey always thank God. Say this natural disaster, e no dey even near our side. Say today go hear say earthquake don't happen for here. This one don't. Our own, you know, they even happen. We even dey alive. We go do. If not, people go don't die today. Our own are human disaster. Our so-called human being and politicians. Now then they cause the disaster inside Nigeria. But this one, I hope say they are. I don't know. I don't even know who to blame for this matter. I know if it talks in God because this one now God just strike. I been a lightning. I just do your own wonder. He just want to do your own show people say yes. Himself get power. But I beg God, people who don't they see this, we don't know say this thing now a regular occurrence, making a day careful. If they think that before you go even strike, don't jackpot, enter your room, go hide, stay for one place. Maybe no one they hear another story that touch you so say something don't do one. My people are here this one inside India. I want to make a bring and come, making a service in our ear. Here waiting they happen. Make and don't forget to comment, like, and also share this video. I go see you now for the next video. Wahala be like Nigeria. Our Nigerian soldiers, they don't go land inside one kind crash. We gotta say then these soldiers, they hear say okay, Boko Haram, they attack for one kind place inside Borno State, Nigeria, then these people gather up, kit up before they go see. They don't begin the rush. This rush not be even about the if na see speed. If na see then this one they think say na fast and furious they dey act. Speed wey then these people carry before we go see motor don go some assault. If na see this thing na self go surprise. Inside this Nigeria, na this one self dey happen. My people beg, make na follow me watch.
You can see the military going to give reinforcements. Jesus. This is a terrible accident that just occurred.
And I don't see say this speed no even dey necessary at all. Nigeria be say the road people even dey manage am. Before you go even pass one pothole, belle don disturb you 3 times. Now person come raise the na speed. Now you want dey carry on top of this road. And now they do gra because me I feel say they know say people dey camera them. Now me they come they do gra on top of camera. So that people go say Nigerian soldiers they work oh. But this crash I hope say nobody die because we know all these soldier people person where they drive. People go hang for back. They know they get chair where be say person go even sit down inside the motor. Now hanging. So the way where this motor done some assault, I just they pray. Some will not come here and say some soldiers don't die. But this driver self na reckless driver. Because say you be army no mean so you carry your DH. You dey drive, you can't go they misbehave for road. When you know say you carry people. And all these our soldiers they make them not even talk. And they go attack after 2 hours. Where Boko Haram don't run. Where they don't go finish, that time I can't gara mora. One can they form or DH, and I won't go there. Say I won't go they fight. And I for Kuku just sit down. Sit down for her because the time when they go, the people don't already come out. So what it can be the need. And I beg my people if na they see. If say na civilian, one kind normal person and I drive with this kind speed. The kind slap where this soldier forgive your head go even rotate. But them now they drunk, nobody they complain. They know they even see them say this one where they do even they wrong. But we say if say then these people say drive slow. Go this speed now we go still complain say they're too slow. But this speed is too much I beg. If I want that make na drive with caution because this one when I go they do now. When we say the thing don't go land into crush and no even know what we want to. Because the attack when they even go for self, it don't even finish. I can't even reason and say be like another set up even there here. Maybe they no cause this accident so that they won't go face war. Because now no all this our Nigerian people they feel they lazy. The army feel they fear for in life. They can't reason and say make we self do one kind for 119 so that they no go send those go. But I beg go make na the limit time if now go fight war. Make na take on our time. Now never reach war ground, now already they die. Wetin I want come go there go do? Naija na just cruise country. My people, I hear this one. I want make I bring am, make na service na here. Yeah, wetin dey happen inside this Nigeria where we dey. Anything when I like, make na not forget to write am for the comment section. Make na no also forget to like and also share this video. I go see you now for our next video.